Welcome. Today, we're diving into the crucial role of domains, your business's digital front door. If you're building a business in the modern world, understanding domains is essential. So what exactly is a domain name? It's the address people type into their browser to find your website, like store.tengspectrum.com. Think of it as your digital address, guiding customers directly to your online storefront or information hub. A domain name is more than just an address. It's a foundational element for your business success. Having a professional domain establishes an online presence and immediately boosts your credibility with potential clients. Your domain is a key part of your brand identity, making you easier to remember and recognize. It also allows you to create professional email addresses like yourname@yourbusiness.com, which looks far more trustworthy than a generic free email. Crucially, a well-chosen domain can significantly improve your search engine optimization, making it easier for customers to discover you. Ready to secure your digital front door? Here's how to get your business domain. Take your time to find a domain name that is memorable, relevant, and easy to type. Once you've decided, act fast. Good domain names are often snapped up quickly, so securing yours is a priority. The process of registering your domain is simple and fast, getting you online in no time. You can register your domain directly at store.tengspectrum.com. Our platform makes it easy to search and purchase your perfect domain. In conclusion, a domain is the gateway to your business's success in the digital world. It offers credibility, promotes branding, and enhances your discoverability, making it absolutely essential for modern business. Don't wait. Visit store.tengspectrum.com today to secure your domain and unlock your business's online potential.